Good morning, children. First chapter is completed. Now we have to learn the second chapter. The second chapter is fractions, decimals, and rational numbers. Here we have to learn the fractions in the sixth class. Sixth class in the fractions, we have to learn the different types of fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fractions. We have to learn the definitions and the examples also. Proper fraction means what? Numerator is small, denominator is big. Improper fraction means denominator is big, numerator is small. Numerator is big, denominator is small. And mixed fraction means one is the whole number and one is the proper. The combination of whole number and a proper fraction, that is the mixed fraction. Now in this class here we have to learn the additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions on the fractions in this chapter. Here compute the following and express the result as a mixed fraction. First exercise, compute the following and express the result as a mixed fraction. 2 plus 3 by 4. We have to find this addition, and this is expressed as a mixed fraction. 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 is a whole number. 3 by 4 is a which fraction is this? Proper fraction. Numerator is less number. Denominator is bigger number. Numerator is small, denominator is big. This is the proper fraction. Here 2 is the whole number. 2 by 1 means nothing to change. 2 by 1 means 2 only. That is the whole number. Here we have to find the denominator. See here 1, 4 LCM. We have to find the 1, 4 LCM. These two denominators are different. If it is same means write this LCM is write same as it is. But here this denominator is 1, here denominator is 4. 1, 4 LCM is 4. 1 into 4, 4. 1, 4 LCM is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Cross multiplication. 2 into 4, 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 1s are 3 by 4. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 by 4. This 11 by 3 is converted into the mixed fraction. This is the 11 by 4 is improper fraction. 11 by 4 is improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is big, denominator is small. Numerator is big, denominator is small. This 11 by 4. I am not doing here. See children. 11 by 4. 11 by 4. 4 is how many times in 11? Less than 11. How many times it will go? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 8. So 11 minus 8 is 3. Here this 2 is the whole number. Quotient is the whole number. Quotient is the whole number. This remainder is numerator. Divisor is denominator. This is right like this V shape of 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. 2 is the quotient. Quotient write as a whole number. Remainder write as a numerator. Divisor write as a denominator. This is the one example for you. Once again listen this example. See children, listen carefully. 2 plus 3 by 4. Here 2 is a whole number. No denominator in 2. We have to write by 1. 2 by 1 means that number is not changing. 2 by 1 means that value is 2 only. 1, 4 LCM is 4. Here 1, 4 LCM is 1 into 4. Or otherwise you will do LCM 1, 4 LCM. 1, 4 is 4. 1, 4 LCM is 4. Cross multiplication. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. When we will do this cross multiplication, these two are co-primes. If these are co-primes means we have to write. We have to multiply directly. If the two numbers are, these two denominators are co-primes. Co-primes means the two numbers having the common fraction is 1. Co-primes means the two numbers having the common fraction is 1. Then they are called co-primes. These two are co-primes. 1, 4 are 4. 4 LCM is 4. 1, 4 LCM is 4. And cross multiplication 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. If it is here minus means we will write minus. Here they gave plus. That's why we write right. If it is minus means we will write minus. Plus 3 into 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 1s are 3 by 4. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 by 4. This is improper fraction. 11 by 4 is improper fraction. Numerator is big, denominator is small. Here, express the result in the sum they are asked. Compute the following and express the result as a mixed fraction. This result we have to write as a mixed fraction. 11 by 4, do the division. 4 times 11, how many times going? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Here, quotient is right as a whole number. Remainder is right as a numerator. Divisor is right as a denominator. 2, 3 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. One is the whole number and the combination of whole number and proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Now, in the fourth sum, the remaining sums you will do at home. I am saying the fourth sum 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. In the textbook they gave plus, but I am changed that. I am changed minus. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. This mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction. How can we will convert it? Now we will see. 2 3 is multiply these two numbers. 3 into 2 plus 2 into 2. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8 by 3. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is right as same as it is you will write. Already you have to learn this mixed fraction converted into the improper fraction in lower classes. Once again listen this children. This mixed fraction how can we will convert it into the improper fraction. First multiply the denominator into whole number. Denominator into whole number plus numerator. Denominator into whole number plus whole number by denominator. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is right same as this. Here 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 are which numbers? Co-primes. Their product is their LCM. Co-primes means the two numbers having the common factor is 1. The two numbers having the common factor is 1. Then the two numbers are called co-primes. 3 comma 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. LCM is 6. Cross multiplication. 8 into 2 minus 1 into 3. 8 into 2 minus 1 into 3. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3 by 6. 16 minus 3 is 13 by 6. 13 by 6 is an improper fraction. Here they gave we have to write the answer as a mixed fraction. This 13 by 6 you have to do the division. 13 by 6. 6 table in 13 how many times going? 6 table in 13 how many times we are going? 2 table. 2 6 2s are 12. 13 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 1 0. What is the remainder? 1. Here this quotient is right as whole number. Remainder is right as numerator. Divisor is right as denominator. Are you understood children? Once again listen here. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. This 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. This mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction. Multiply the denominator into whole number plus numerator by denominator. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 comma 2 LCM is 6. 3 comma 2 LCM is 6. Otherwise you will do the side LCM. 3 comma 2 LCM is 6. Here this 3 comma 2 are co-primes. Their product is their LCM. 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 3s are 3 by 6. 16 minus 3 is 13. 13 by 6. 13 by 6 is a improper fraction. This is converted into the mixed fraction. 6 table in 13 how many times going? Less than 13. 2 times. 6 2s are 12. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 1 0. 2 1 by 6. This is the answer. 2 1 by 6. Again 4 sums is there. You will do at home. Practice perfectly. Note down these sums. And second sum is arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. Here, if these denominators, all denominators are different. If it is same, we have to say that which is greater, which is small. But all the denominators are different. We have to find the LCM of all denominators. LCM of 8, 6, 2 is 24. I have done this here LCM 8, 6, 2. Here 2 table in 8 how many times going? 4 times. 2 table in 6, 3 times. 2 table in 2, 1 time. Again 4, 3, 1 is going any table? Yes, going. 2 table in going. 2 table in 4, how many times going? 2 times. And 2 table in 3 is going? No, not going, same, right, as it is. 2 table is 1 is going, not going, right, as it is. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24. LCM is 24. LCM is 24. Here LCM by first denominator. What is the first denominator? 8. First denominator 8. 24 by 8. LCM by second denominator 24 by 6. LCM by third denominator 24 by 2. 8 table in 24 how many times going? 3 times. 6 table in 24 how many times going? 4 times. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 12. What are the answers? 3, 4, 12. 3, 4, 12. What is the first fraction, children? 8, 5 by 8. What is the first fraction? 5 by 8. Into what is the number? 3. What is the number here? 3. Multiply the denominator, this 3 by the denominator, numerator into denominator, same number. Multiply the any fraction, we have to multiply or divided by the numerator and divided by numerator and denominator, divided or multiplied by the same number, the number is not changing. Here 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Here why we have to multiply this 3? 24 by 8 is we got 3. We got here 3. That's why this 5 by 8 into 3 by 3. Next second fraction is 5 by 6. What is the second number? 4. 5 by 6 into 4 by 4. What is the third fraction? 1 by 2. What is the third number? 12. 12 by 12. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24. Once again listen children, this multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 1 12s are 12. 2 12s are 24. Here now we have to write in the ascending order. Ascending order. In which three numbers, which is the small? 12 by 24. We have to don't write this 12 by 24. We have to write the fraction only. 12 by 24 means what is the number? 1 by 2 greater than next less than. The next number is 15 by 24 and 20 by 24, 15 by 24. 15 by 24 means which fraction? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 less than next fraction is last 5 by 6. This is the ascending order, and the second sub question also is that you will do at home. Once again I am explaining this ascending order. Listen carefully children. 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. These numbers writing in the ascending order. If these three denominators are same, means you have to say that which is greater, which is small. But these three denominators are different. You have to find the LCM. Denominators are same, means you have to say that which is greater, which is smaller. First you have to find that these all denominators are. See here, 24, 24, 25. All denominators are same, means you have to say that which is greater, which is smaller. First you have to find out the LCM of 8, 6, 2. 8, 6, 2. 2 table in 8, how many times going? 4 times. 2 table in 6, 3 times. 2 table in 2, 1 time. Again 4, 3, 2 is be going to which table? 2 table. 2 table in 4, how many times going? 2 times. 2 table in 3 is going, not going, right? Same as it is. 2 table in 1 is going, not going, right? Same as it is. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24. LCM is 24. 24 by first denominator. What is the first denominator? 8. 24 by 8. 8 table in 24, how many times going? 3 times. Next 24 by second denominator. What is the second denominator? 6. 6 table in 24, how many times going? 4 times. Next third denominator is 2. 24 by 2. 2 table in 24, how many times going? 12 times. 3, 4, 12, these are the numbers. Right, first we have to set the first number 5 by 8. 5 by 8, what is the first number? 3. Multiply this numerator and denominator 3 by 3. Next 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. What is the second fraction? 5 by 6. Second number 4. 4 by 4. 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24. Next third number 12. 1 by 12 into 12 by 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Ascending order. Here we no need to write these numbers. We have to write the fractions only. Why? Because we have to learn which is greater, which is smaller. We have to learn. We have to know only, but we have to write these numbers only. Which is the smallest? 12 by 24 is the smallest, means 1 by 2. Next number 15 by 24. Next 5 by 8. Next 5 by 6. 20 by 24 means 5 by 6. Next sum you will do. Okay children, are you understood? Okay children. Children of the third sum, check in the following square whether in this square the sum of the numbers in each row and each column and along the diagonals is the same or not. We have to see that the square. I did write the square. You see the textbook, but I wrote the answer. See, listen here. First row 6 by 13 plus 3 by 13 plus 12 by 13. Here all the denominators are same. Write the denominator. What is the LCM here? All the denominators are same. Means LCM is 13. What is the first numerator? 6. Second numerator 3 plus third numerator 12. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 12 21. 21 by 13. Now second row. Second row is 13 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 1 by 13. Here all the denominators are same. Same is the denominator. The LCM is 13. Or right, add the numerators. 13 plus 7 plus 1. 13 plus 7 20. 20 plus 1 21. 21 by 13. Now third row. 2 by 13 plus 11 by 13 plus 8 by 13. What is the LCM here? All the denominators are same. LCM is 13. Add the numerators. 2 plus 11 plus 8. 2 plus 11 13. 13 plus 8 21. 21 by 13. Now drag columns. First column 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 2 by 13. Here all the denominators are same. What is the LCM? 13. Add the numerators. 6 plus 13 plus 2. 6 plus 13 19. 19 plus 2 21. 21 by 13. Now second column 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 11 by 13. LCM is how much? 13. Add the numerators. 3 plus 7 plus 11. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 11 21. 21 by 13. Next third column. Third column 12 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 8 by 13. What is the LCM children? 13. Add the numerators. 12 plus 1 plus 8. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 by 13. Next first diagonal. 6 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13. What is the LCM children? 13. Diagonals means cross. Diagonals means cross. See children, diagonal. This is the square, no? Diagonals means cross. This like this cross. Diagonals means opposite along opposite vertices. Opposite vertices. Opposite vertices. Those are the diagonals. Opposite vertices. Diagonals 6 by 13, 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13. What is the LCM children? 13. 6 plus 7 plus 8. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 by 13. Now second diagonal. 2 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 12 by 13. What is the LCM children? 13. 2 plus 7 plus 12. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 by 13. Here all the rows, all the columns and all the diagonals are same. See here, what is the answer? 21 by 13, 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 21 by 13. All the rows are same, all the columns are same, all the diagonals are same. Okay children, next class we have to learn next sums, next working sums we have to learn. Thank you children.